We are so firmly rooted in our mission of inquiry, innovation, and impact, and that's where our pathways come from. We believe that every student needs to have the foundational skills in all three, but based on a student's interests and based on where a student might want to take those curiosities, it can look a little bit different. The inquiry pathway is our foundational pathway, and so that is designed for students who want to ask the big questions in a particular content area, who are really interested in getting into research, who want to dive a little bit deeper. We've had students in the inquiry pathway who have pursued things like audiovisual technology, producing research in partnership with schools in the area like Georgia Tech. But we know that's not every student's cup of tea. The innovation pathway is perfect for a student who loves to work alongside their classmates, who is rooted in design thinking, who likes to take problems from companies, from nonprofits that they just observe in their community and design real solutions that they test, they iterate, and they bring into fruition. For the global pathway, which is our impact pathway, if you have a student who loves to travel, a student who is interested in global intelligence, global language, business, languages, linguistics, and they want to explore the continuity of the world, the global pathway is designed to get them physically in other parts of the world outside of Atlanta and learning in those spaces. In freshman year, they travel to Costa Rica, they go to Europe in their sophomore year, they do a global internship as juniors, and then as seniors, they curate a trip together based on their cohort's interests. All students, when they enter grade 9 in the upper school, apply, and they determine what's their first, second, and third choice pathway. Any student can be successful in any of them. But we found that when a student is excited or passionate about a particular way of study, they level up the amount of effort that they're willing to put in. So pathways provide community, they provide consistency, and they provide that just extra nudge of getting them excited to come to school every day and to see their passions and their curiosities translate into something that they can hold, that are meaningful, and that they can weave into stories that we ultimately leverage in the college process.